Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing the 63 ragtop restoration and we'll be working on the chassis. Now this chassis isn't too bad. A couple floor pans and some undercoating removal and we'll be pretty good, I think. You can see even up here there's some remnants of the original gloss black paint. Now we'll have to very deep clean this, paint everything, restore the beam, all that fun stuff. So today we're going to start by soaking everything in like blaster or freeze off, whatever you like. We're going to start doing that. We're going to clean it and do all sorts of things. So let me get cracking on that. Original seatbelt. These will get off of there and deep clean. So now we should be able to remove the bonnet. And see what's under it. I don't know. Tarboards. I think we're gonna have to. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to take these tarboards off. So we're gonna have to try and be careful with them because you can't get new ones. Alright, we've got the front tarboard off pretty good. Did notice that there's little bumps in the floor pan. And I think those are in the same location that the little buttons were for the early cars for the rubber mats. So I wonder if any reproduction floor pans have that for the later years. Would be interesting. Vacuum time. Right guys, so we gave it the super clean treatment. All the greasy spots. We'll probably roll it out tomorrow and pressure wash it. We're gonna let this sit tonight. Just degreasing away. We can order up some pans maybe next week, the week after. Gotta get that money in the bank account and do that. Probably go Wolfsburg West. I have no problem with the Coker home pans. But you gotta get the ones that are separate pieces. Most people sell the ones that are spot welded together already. Those are not the ones you want. You want the ones that the picture shows a black pan, the outrigger, and a jack point separate. Those are good pans. They're very thick, high quality, drop in basically. A little cheaper than Wolfsburg West. But, you know, very few people actually stock them because why stock pans that are $225 and sell a few of them because they're Coker Home, when you can stock Coker Home pans that are $175 and people will buy those because they're on a budget. Well guys, that's going to wrap up the beginning of our chassis restoration. I'm pretty sure this is what I'm going to focus on now. The body, I don't want to do too much more like heater channels now without floor pans and stuff. So we're going to order those up Wolfsburg West, probably. But as you can see, old pans out. I left the old cross braces in, however they are getting replaced. This one at least. This one I blew through with the air hammer, so that one too. But we're gonna replace this. I'm gonna put that inside. Replace the floor pans. We're gonna replace the tar boards too. I started pulling these up. There is rust under mine. Generally, if there's no rust under the tar boards, I'd say leave it. But I could see the rust already, so pull them off. Interesting thing to note, this seam sealer is original. That seam sealer is original. Generally you don't really see it, but I have researched it a little, and if it's there, it's original. Most of the time it just falls off though. But our beam looks good, so hopefully it's never, I mean the car's been in an accident, you can see the bend there, but the beam looks generally straight. Hopefully they'll be able to align it. The 67 is unable to be aligned due to a improper beam replacement. I did not do it. I won't say who did it, but I do not recommend them ever. But not bad. Otherwise, the chassis is very solid. We're going to do this all the right way, aka we'll run a new fuel line through the tunnel, out the back, new boots, new Bowden, all new cables, new brake lines, new boots there, clean everything 100%, paint it with a nice single stage urethane gloss black as the factory. Factory did all the chassis in gloss black. Unlike some companies or restoration shops that say, oh, it was probably semi or satin. If you watch period production line video footage, which there is plenty of, you'll see that they are gloss black. And when you pull up the rubber seals and stuff, it is gloss there. It just looks satin because at the time they were probably using something like an acrylic enamel, which does not have a hardener, and it chalks up eventually. And after 50 or 60 years, gloss black turns into satin black. So that's that. But guys, with that, until the next one, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.